Now, the strip we just got from the -80. These are the strips. We took some time for the thawing. First of all, we have to drain the mineral oil we put. I say we have to drain it out because we put the mineral oil only, it should not be dry. Okay? You can easily see that our proteins is in between 4 to 7. Now we have to go equilibration. Equilibration means the protein which we have to put inside our vertical gel electrophoresis, means for the SDS. Before that, the protein should not go under the oxidation process. So we are using the reducing agent DTP, dithiothiol. Okay. So after that, when we are going for the reduction, it should be continuous. Means it should not, the reduction should not be for some time and then it will go again for the oxidation. So we are using the alkylation agent. The alkylating agent is 2-iodoestamide. So 2-iodoestamide we are adding so that to prevent the proteins to get back oxidized. So when we are doing the reduction, the alkyl group is added to the protein so that we prevent it from this oxidation again. So this process we will do prior to the formation of it. You can see also here. This is our M1. Okay. You can see our strip is here. This is the wick, okay. You see, this is actually the strip. That side is the gel. The second side is the draining the mineral oil. Try that there should be no mineral oil now. Now this is M1. Now we should put the gel upside down. Shall you see? Okay. Same with the another one. This is the equilibration of one in which we have around 2 mils we are adding each. F1 is a female.
You know it all of them.
Both here and here. First I forget I put here. I should put here.